my name is Javas. Today I will present my science fair experiment about light. What I will need? I will need transparent objects, translucent objects, opaque objects, and a flashlight. I will be grouping all of my stuff. Light is very important. It can make us see things around us. See what happens if I turn off the light. See, it's very dark. You cannot see me. So today we want to talk about some properties of light. The first one is light always goes straight. The second one is light is very fast. It can reach 300,000 kilometers in just 1 second. Light looks like white color, but it actually has 7 spectrums of colors. Those are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Number 4. Light can be reflected by things, but not all of the things. So we will do some experiment to determine whether the object is opaque, transparent, translucent, or transparent. Transparent is when a light source can almost all pass through. Translucent is when a light source can almost pass through, but not a lot. Opaque is when there is no light can pass through. It's all blocked. So let's do an experiment to see which one is opaque, translucent, transparent. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start with this bag here. And then, okay, here's the light, as you can see. There's the light, and then I put this bag here. It blocks all of the light. Nothing can pass through. So this is an opaque. I'll put this right here. Second object is this, a water bottle. So that is a translucent object. Like you can see a bit of it, but not a lot. Not a lot at all. So that's a translucent. I will put that there. And then this is the mouse. Okay, I put this like that, and then it looks like a potato, but it's a mouse. And it's an opaque object, so I'll put it there. And the fourth one is the toy stormtrooper. So like put it right here, and well, you can see that is an opaque object. You can't see the line anymore. Okay, then let's try this glass. Well, there is a bit of a shadow, but not like so little. And then that's transparent. I will put right here. Okay, the other one is this, the glass. And then, oh, that's transparent. You can see not a lot of the shadow, so that's a transparent. Put that there. Okay, next is the water bottle. Okay, as you can see, the light is kind of greenish. So you can see a bit of the light, but not a lot of it, because it's a translucent object. Oh my god, that fell. Okay, so let's go with the glasses. Okay, so that is a transparent object. That's my hand, oh my god. That's a, okay. So that's a transparent object. Okay, I'll put that here. And then let's go with this red plastic bag. Okay, like the light is very small, but it's reddish. It's red. I don't think you can see it, but in my point of view, it's red. And that's a translucent, so I'll put it here. Okay, the last object we have is the science friction book. Okay, I'll just put that there. Okay, so it's an opaque object. Okay, so with this experiment we can conclude 3 groups of things. This group right here is opaque. This one. The second group right here is translucent group. And the third group right here is the transparent group. That is all for me. I hope you can learn something new from my presentation. Thank you.